Tom.
You really are a... Where's the turkey? You haven't eaten it already.
There you are, keep the change. Hey, that's my watermelon!
Of Bobby the Buccaneer! There's a culprit!
Oh, Tom! The food!
My picnic!
Young man, how would you like to be my assistant on a TV talent show?
Nope.
Plus, I've learned a thing or two about eating from old Tom.
Mummy! The lion's dinner stole my soda pop!
Oh, it's a competition with old Tom. Oh, really? What kind of competition?
Your turn.